There's a new opportunity for all entrepreneurs and business owners inside the e-commerce space that is no doubt going to open up the floodgates. And let me open this up and talk about it. Facebook and Instagram has announced a big new feature called Facebook Shops, which lets you literally set up a store and sell from Facebook and Instagram directly. Shopify has also jumped on and is integrating this new feature directly into Facebook Shops. Think about this for a moment. It's a store set up directly on the actual Facebook and Instagram platform. The impact and potential here is big. This is completely separate from Facebook ads. So let's have a quick chat about this change today and what exactly it means to people that have e-commerce stores already and for others who want to take advantage and don't have an e-commerce store. And also, as usual, I won't just tell you about the change, I'll give you my recommendations on how to take advantage of this change early on so you can benefit before, everyone else gets onto it. So if that sounds good, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and it's much appreciated. So let's get stuck into it. This is obviously a really big change and there's two major changes here that we need to talk about. So the first change, as you can see on my screen here, is the fact that Facebook and Instagram store itself is implemented onto the platform and also is integrated directly with Shopify. So as you can see here, Shopify has announced that partnership with Facebook, and it is a direct integration into the new feature that is called Facebook Shops. So what exactly is Facebook Shops? It's a two-pronged thing here. So we've got the platform itself, and then we have the different features and integrations and benefits that, as an entrepreneur and as business owners inside the e-commerce space, we can all leverage. Even those who don't have a store at the moment can leverage this new platform in itself. So what's happening here is merchants will automatically be able to connect their Shopify business. So this is directly relevant for a lot of people who watch my channel who have Shopify stores. You can now automatically connect your Shopify business to Facebook in one place, while also making different customer shopping experiences feel native to each individual app. So we're talking about Instagram and Facebook here. So you can sell directly on Facebook, the platform itself, through your business page and also through your Instagram page, rather than going directly onto, let's say, the Shopify domain. So this is big in a few different ways, and Mark himself has gone on a 30-minute live video describing everything, but let me summarize it and then talk about the benefits and how we can leverage it here. But essentially, this new platform is 100% customizable. Customers can go onto your store without even needing to go onto a new web page or a new integration with WooCommerce or Shopify. You can actually shop on Facebook itself and Instagram itself, and you can create a store directly from Facebook and Instagram, which is kind of mind-blowing at the moment. So yeah, as you can see here, it is 100% customizable. It kind of looks like a Shopify mobile store in itself, but implemented onto the Facebook platform or the Instagram platform. Another really, really cool feature is that there is AR integration for clothing and print-on-demand stores. So AR is augmented reality. So you can try on whatever it might be, the shoe, the piece of jewelry, or the t-shirt through the app itself directly on the store, which is really, really cool. You can also ask questions and talk to support, and get this, you can even track deliveries through WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram DMs through native integration. So when I say native integration, this means that you don't need additional plugins. There's no additional costs. It's all integrated into the Facebook platform now. Beyond this, there are really cool integrations as well, like loyalty programs. So there is direct integration again with loyalty programs, so you can create your own different type of loyalty program, whatever it might be. Lots of ideas that you can come up with here. And something to keep in mind here though, that although creating your new Facebook store or I should call it Facebook Shop, is completely free, there is a caveat here. And that caveat is that Facebook plans right now to collect a commission on all the orders that are made through the tool. Now, this might be a deal breaker for some, but we have to look at it from a different perspective, which is you might be getting different sorts of traffic through this store organically. We don't know yet, or there might be another way to integrate ads driven directly onto the Facebook store. So depending on the commission rate, which we aren't completely sure of yet, this could still be a great opportunity. So don't let that deter you just yet. So I'm going to get into some details about how we can leverage this, because it's an undeniable fact right now that there's, so many opportunities in the e-commerce space, and the Facebook Shops comes off the back of a lot of positive changes in the e-commerce space, such as, Google just a few weeks ago announced free shopping ads. And it just cements the fact that e-commerce is by far the best business model that is booming during this time, while other businesses are suffering, unfortunately. Thing is though, e-commerce has always been on this same trajectory path. It's just been accelerated and forced people to realize the true power of e-commerce. So when is this all available? I'm sure many of you were thinking about this right now. When is it available? When can I take advantage of it? Well, they're rolling this all out to advertisers slowly but surely, prioritizing the US first, but there is actually a way to get prioritized to this new feature. So I'll tell you what you should be doing right now. So let's move on to my Google Doc here. And then let's talk about how to take advantage of this right now. I've got a few points here that I want to share with you. So the first one is cleaning up your Shopify store. So if you already have your Shopify store, you definitely need to make sure that any collections or categories that you might have, you need it cleaned up, because once it's available to you, once Facebook Shops is available to you, you want to automatically integrate it into your Shopify store or vice versa. And to do this more easily when it's available to you, you need to clean up your store right now. Make sure that collections are all looking schmick, that it's looking how you want it to look like. You don't want it all over the place. So it just makes it a little bit easier when it does come to your market, and you can take advantage of it faster than your competitors. So be sure to fix up your collections and categories. And by the way, if you have a one product store, that's fine. You don't need collections and categories. Just make sure that everything's spick and span and you're ready to go to implement when it does go live. When Facebook Shops does go live. The next point I want to make is clean up your social profiles, because this integration or this platform is directly integrated into Facebook and Instagram. So therefore, there's going to be a lot more traffic to your social profiles, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it might be. So if you don't have any sort of content organically on your Facebook page or your Instagram page, you might want to rethink that and start building up your social profiles right now. Because like I said, there's going to be traffic coming through to these platforms even more so. And that's what I predict at the moment. If Facebook Shops really does kick off and a lot of people come through Facebook Shops. The third is get better with Facebook and Instagram ads. This is an important one, and this is regardless of, Facebook Shops, you need to be getting better with Facebook and Instagram ads. There is no doubt going to be direct integration with Facebook and Instagram ads with Facebook Shops. Expect updates to Facebook ads and how we can leverage both Facebook ads and Facebook Shops together. So it's really good right now to get better with Facebook and Instagram ads, really get on top of your paid ads game. So when this does come and it does boom, you are ready to absolutely demolish your competition. The fourth is use Facebook paid shops right now. So this is actually different to Facebook Shops, a little bit confusing, I know. Facebook paid shops is different to Facebook Shops. You can use it right now. It's essentially the shopping tab on your Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook business page, go onto the Shops tab on your Facebook page and follow the instructions to set it up. What this is actually going to do is this is going to give you priority access later down the track to Facebook Shops once it launches in your region. And how you can do this is, like I said, you can just set this up on your Facebook business page and follow the instructions there. It's pretty straightforward. But it's already mentioned by Facebook. If we go onto the Facebook page here, I think it mentioned it somewhere. If we go back here, yeah, here we go. So find out how to get started today. They say right now that shops are rolling out to businesses who sell with Instagram shopping or Facebook page shop or both. We'll send you an email when yours is ready. So it's a given that if you're already set up on Facebook page shop, then you're going to be given priority access. So if you're not already on Facebook page shop, it might just be worth it to go into your Facebook business page and set up Facebook page shop if you haven't already. It's really going to help you out. Might help you familiarize yourself with the actual organic side of things and platform in itself. So yeah, honestly, this was a really quick video because I just wanted to quickly talk about the opportunities here about Facebook shops and how to take advantage of it. Like I said, they're prioritizing the US, no surprises there, but there is the ways to get prioritized in your own region as they roll this out in the next few months. And that's what I quote, the next few months, they'll be rolling this out to a wider audience. Now, those are the basic key features, but obviously they're going to look to improve it over time this year. And this comes off the back of what's happening overall, Google taking steps to give more power to e-commerce retailers. And I want to reiterate that point that e-commerce is booming right now. It is booming, and this was always meant to happen no matter what. Okay, so if you're not already taking advantage of these different opportunities and platforms that are opening up to the e-commerce space, make sure you do it right now. Like if you don't have an e-commerce store, that's totally fine. What you should do is when Facebook shops does open up, take advantage of it. Have some fun with it. If you're completely new to e-commerce, just set it up. See how you can leverage setting up different products of your own onto Facebook shops. And then, heck, play some Facebook ads. Set up that Facebook shops, place some Facebook ads and see what happens. Set up some products as well. And then because it's such a relatively new platform, we're not sure how it works. It could really favor small businesses. And that is the point of this platform, by the way. They are really targeting small businesses. And of course, this works as well for larger retailers, but they have said specifically that this is a focus on small businesses, which is great for many of us. So there we have it. That's Facebook shops. It works also with Instagram. It is really amazing the fact that it's 100% customizable. There's AR integration. You can integrate also with Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, WhatsApp to talk specifically directly to your customers, even track deliveries. It's going to change the game. And it's great that they've partnered up with Shopify too, so it doesn't leave everything completely redundant. So this is something to keep an eye on. If you have the chance to use Facebook shops right now, please do comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you plan to use Facebook shops, let me know down below as well. And be sure to clean up all your socials and Shopify stores before we get onto this. It's going to be a really exciting time. It is a really exciting time already with all the developments in the e-com space. So let's keep an eye out for everything that's happening. I will update everyone once this becomes more available, prioritizing my mastery students, of course. So if you're a part of the mastery programs and you're watching this, then I will give more details inside the mastery program. But yeah, of course, please take advantage of all of this. Keep an eye on this space. We want to be first to market with this. So hope this video has helped you. Give it a look. And give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, especially if it's helped you. And until the next video, keep on hustling.